here this product background. So today I'm going to create this. You can see this very shiny reflective 3D product background. Okay, let's get started. So opening Blender 3.0. So okay, you can see here this background I'm going to create. So basically, first of all, just delete all this thing. Then first of all, I'm going to create so you can see I'm creating just plain S to scale 1, again 1 press. Okay, so for scaling I'm going to reference one human idol, just this year. You can download Blender Guru tutorial. I'm just downloaded. So this is my scale reference. So first of all, numpad 1, GZ, Control Shift, then 1 to vertex selection, then to select GZ, just Control Shift to snap to grid. Okay, SX, SY. So this is my human reference. Now I don't need human because this is the size. This is the size, human size. Okay. So first of all, you can see here this hard edge. So I'm going to create this edit mode to edge selection mode. Then select this edge, E to X to Z to Z axis. Okay. S Y to Y axis, something like that. So SX, now edit mode to select this, then SY, something like that. I hope it's alright. Here you can see a hard edge and also shadow. It will be good. So first of all, model this thing. So I'm going to 1 to front view, 3 to 3, then camera, then camera selected, Control Alt numpad 0, snap to view, make sure camera is selected. Okay, so if I select this camera, then change the position. If I dual window, you can see here this window, just I don't need this thing selected. Okay, so you can see I think camera need to be more something like upper part can see. I think camera need to be here. So let's, this resolution need to be large, so I'm going to just drag it. Then I think this is fine. I hope 4K I don't need. I think need to be 35 millimeter because I love 35 millimeter lens. Okay, then camera position is too far. Don't worry, I'll be fixed later. First of all, model is all that thing. Make sure, yeah. So I'm modeling this thing. Here you can see cylinder, then something like wall. So simple. Let's create that. So I don't need that. Shift A, mesh cube. Sorry, mesh cube. I think this is good. 1, 2 from view S Y X. So let's get first Control Shift snap to grid. Very simple because I don't have too much time. So if I man, yeah, it's a character scale. Just you can see where is my object. Just scale it. Tiny little bit shade smooth, auto smooth. You can hear this here auto smooth is turned on. You can assign to your favorite shortcut. So I'm already assigned. So if I press Q, then you can see as quick favorite is auto smooth. Just right click. Here you can, if I remove this, then you can see no record is found. So if I add it to quick favorite, then Q auto smooth on off, on off. Okay, now I'm going to edit this here, mesh cylinder S shift Z, something like that. Shade smooth, auto smooth. Basically it's all just lighting. It's so very basic background, but main theme is lighting. So you can see here this object is too far here, so I'm going to here. So our main focus is camera, so not focus in the viewport. Our main focus what is the rendering. Okay, so I think this will be fine, I hope, because one of part here. So if I go to shift D, Z, Y, X axis, then just here tiny little bit, I don't need too much. Yeah, I think this will be fine. I hope it's need to be something like that. Yeah, it's good. I'm just bevel this thing. S shift Z, just I think it's alright. Mesh. So this cursor, how to move? Just shift right click, then just shift right click. Okay. So I'm going to check. Just shift right click here. The shift here. I think if I copy this cylinder, shift D, 7 to top view, shift D, okay, then here S shift Z, S shift Z, control A to apply. I don't need bevel because it's not showing any geometry edge. So it need to be some bigger. GZ, yeah. Then array modifier, control A to scale. Just position Y 3. I think position is 2. Yeah, control A to scale. I think more. Yeah, it's alright. Then just copy paste this thing. Shift D, escape to cancel transform, then just here. This position is edit mode, then 3 to face select mode, then select this, then just here select this thing. I think it's need some, okay, 7 to top view, shift D, X to X axis, then here, GZ. I'm going to do just GZ. It need to be more thickness. Control A to scale. Control A to scale. I think it's alright. Okay. So this thing moves. This thing more. Just move. Yeah. Now I'm going to 7 W Shift D. Just thing here. Then just array count. Okay. Then I'm going to edit mode. Then scale Z axis. Okay. Face select and just stop. So modeling part almost done. Just need some tweak or camera position. Yeah, I think this is fine. Okay, if I camera, what is viewport display pass route? I think it's all right. Cavity. Yeah, these things need to be more precise. Okay, now shift right click to cursor, then again cylinder, shift S, shift Z, SZ, then scale down, SZ, S. I hope camera need to be more far. Yeah. Then select this. Just more. Yeah, but my reference 3. Okay. Yeah. You need 64 vertex, 64 S shift Z, SZ, three, then GZ. Okay, just position it. S shift Z, GZ, something like Ctrl B to bevel it, because you can see here golden strip. I don't know, is that inside? Is that inside? Then alter along to normal, just inside. tiny little bit, maybe. Yeah, control it to scale, then to bevel the edge. So I'm to little bit, then shade smooth, and here auto smooth. So I'm going to shortcut. I'm always use shortcut. Okay. Yeah. Now I'm going to this round. It's so easy. Just click here. Then icosphere or UV sphere. What is your choice? I'm using UV sphere or icosphere, whatever. Shade is smooth, auto smooth. Just shift D, sorry, shift D. Just a little bit. Shift D, Shift Z to lock the Z position, then just click. I think this need to be more grounded. Yeah, all fixed. Shift D, Shift Z to lock the position. Yeah. Now I'm going to lighting and material shading. So it's very simple and basic background. You can easily create this type of background. Now I'm going to lighting. First of all, just maybe if I take out just here, then here or here. It's not a fact. So let's get to the render preview. I'm going to disable this background, then I'm going to edit. I think if I use sky texture, sorry, go to cycles mode, then just need more tab, then shading editor, object to world, and to hide this. So sun rotation, you can see here. So if I lower the value, you can see here the render preview. Sun rotation, Okay, here you can see the view. It's already looking great, but it's a very simple setup. You can see, just drag and drop just some cube, then it looks gorgeous. You can see, I think this need to be more down, maybe, I don't know. No, it's all right. Camera need to be more precise. Okay, so I'm just checks. Okay, so it's already looking gorgeous, but you can see here this shadow will be this thing, so I'm going to more rotation. This too harsh, I need soft light. Yes, if I go to manual, okay, I'm going to manual this thing, lighting, area light. Here you can light, point light, then power just 500, then upper the value, just position. Yes, it's good. I'm just rotating the sky. Okay, now it will be fixed. I'll be fixing him later. Just first of all, this I'm going to shading this thing, this object. This ball will be glass material. So let's get roughness 1, just transmission 1. Then this color will be some thing. I need this light, this softness, so object more bright, then less saturated. Yeah, yeah, this color you can see here. So I think this, I need this color. So first of all, this is glass, then all this glass, 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 and also this is ground is going to be reflective material. So something like plane, something like roughness down, yeah. Now this is going to be marble texture, so I have extreme PBR combo. You can download it. It's not a free plugins, it's a paid plugins. So if I go to marble, I think this, first of all, save this project. Oh. Model this, I think marble, this thing, I like it. Roughness normal and added new. Okay, so make sure the connecting is right. Normal to normal, roughness to roughness. Come on, this color is alright. So it's looking good, but not a good unwarp. So I'm going to UV unwarp, U to new projection. So you can see this is good looking unwarp. I like it. Okay. Yeah, I like this. Now if you select this 3 to face select, then alter, select alter shift, then select this edge. You can see here, then new material and assign. So here I'm going to gold material. You can see this is highly reflect. I have gold, but I'm going to just simple, just something gold color, then metallic, then little bit low roughness sign. So it's looking good, but you can add some noise, texture to variation, the roughness, just noise texture, Control Shift T, then color ramp, Control Shift. If no triangular is on, I'm just displaying because it's so harsh. Just some random variation. Flip color ramp, just you can see this golden color, it's good. Here roughness is high, this is looking good. If distortion, no, I think this is fine. Yeah, so something like that. Now this material new, just white. This is going to be too dark. Yeah, this is going to be marble texture. Here you can see marble 03 is the same texture. So I'm going to apply this. Just U, keep projection, downward this. Then also edit mode, A to select you, cube projection, then apply this marble texture. You can see here marble texture is going. If you need more saddle, just A to select, S to Z axis, Y axis, so it's getting some need here. Yeah, so it's a simple material. I'm just shading new, just white. Is it same? Just white. Yeah. I think this would be it. Need not A to select you to cube projection, then just marble 03. It's automatically applied the material. You can see here. So all is done. Now it's time to lighting. Most time consuming part. So if I were Nishita to hook, I'm going to collapse this because I want to look what is going on. Then I'm going to denoise because I want to show what is it. I'm going to save this. I know it's very confusing, but wait a second, it will be fixed. Just be patient. Okay, you can see our sun is here. I need here. So if I rotate, basically it's sun rotating. if I go to color management, then just check the false color. So it's very high power, so I'm going to 0.6. So you can see red is lost the details, so I'm going to medium high contrast, then just down, little bit down exposure. Just if I check what is going on, you can see the render. Medium contrast. So this color, I'm not satisfied yet, the glass material, so I'm going to fix this more bright, or something like down the saturation, and also little bit roughness. Yeah, sorry. Yes, yeah. I'm showing world soft light. Okay, 199, 200. Camera need 'Cause I think it's all right. Yeah, look like it's good. I'm going to render this with down the quality. Just check what is going on. 50% quality, denoising data, ambient occlusion, then glossy direct, indirect, then also denoise. Okay, just 500 sample, no 1000 sample. Render this. Yeah, you can see here. Okay, it's rendering. So I think I hope you all like it. For better quality view, my Facebook group page under this, then compositing some little, then I will be post. I need here also this strip. So this background need more precise. Okay, it's only sample just 220. It's going to 1000 sample with 50% quality. So it's need to be more or more time. Something like 2 minutes 5 seconds for my Vega 11 GPU. Okay, make sure I'm not GPU yet. Make sure GPU mode is on. Don't worry, it's rendering. Then I'm going to compose this thing. Noise. Just Control D, Control D. Noisy image. Normal albedo. File output. Then just what is a beauty pass. So I'm going to connect this, then AO, then noisy image, albedo, then edit input. This call